everybody. I'm Kathleen and I'm a nutritionist, and this is my grandson Warren, and he's going to help me make some multi-grain bread today. The first ingredient in our bread, we're going to do this in a machine, is 1.5 cups of warm water. Warren got a little excited and put a little bit of our flour in here already. But you want to go ahead and dump this in? Let's dump this into the... Okay, so when we do the flour, we'll just do a little bit less.
Can we do that?
Okay, what's the next thing on our list? That was 1.5 cups of warm water. 1.5 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. We're going to use a half. Okay.
Can we dab it?
We're going to scoop it out with a 1/2 teaspoon. 1.5. So 3 halves make 1.5.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
1.
I want to do it.
2.
No, that's
You
not.
need 1 more.
I got this one. I can this.
3. That one doesn't fit. That's why we use the small one. Okay, so we did that. Thank you. That was
This
Himalayan
one,
salt. Himalayan salt has 1/3 less of the sodium as normal table salt, and it has 84 trace minerals.
I'm going to
Can you
this
stir it
up.
Okay. Now we are going to make a little blend of some multi-grains here. Okay?
Mimi,
Okay.
I put this in here.
Okay, we're going to add
Put this in here.
1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. So let's get our pumpkin seeds.
Give us in here.
We're going to do the tablespoon. Okay?
We do
Let's
this.
switch.
I'm going to do this.
1 tablespoon. Oh, they popped all over.
How about this popping?
Yeah, they popped all over.
Let me make a bed over here, Baba.
Oh boy.
Can put it? No, not that. Not this.
Yes, we need. Okay, so we're going to do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are very high in omega-3s. Hold on, we're not going to use that little scoop. That's not the right measurement. Just a minute. Can we put that aside?
Oh,
Okay.
Mimi.
I know, I made a mess. Good job, good job, good job.
I'm a mess. I'm going to show this.
Messes are okay, we just clean them up. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of amaranth seeds.
Put this in here.
Okay, hold on, I gotta go clean that again. Just a minute, I don't want anything wet inside there.
This here.
Wow, you are strong.
And no one puts this in here.
Okay. Yeah,
No, I'm going to do it.
okay.
Can we
good job.
see it? Can we see it?
Now you can stir it. Okay. We also put 1/2 cup of oats. Warren already did that.
I did.
Yes, you did it.
Mimi.
Okay, and then we're going to do 2 cups of flour, but instead of using regular bread flour, we're using an ancient grain called Einkorn wheat. It's
Can we put
the
this in
original
here?
strain
Can we put this in
thousands of
here?
years ago, before we did any GMO grains. So it is,
What's that in there? That's in there.
it's organic, and it's easier to digest, and it's more nutrient dense.
What's this in here?
So I've got some in here. Okay, let's get our hands out.
Oh.
We don't want to put our hands in there, okay? All right. Okay, so we're going to do our flour. We're
Yeah.
using, okay, hold on. You need a towel to wipe your hands.
I just want myself.
You don't need to do it on your shirt.
Mimi,
Okay.
I need a salt for
Okay.
you. Yep, I need
Are you,
this.
oh.
Can we put it?
Yeah.
I don't put it. I don't put
Okay,
it.
we're going to scoop off the top.
Can I scoop it top?
Yeah.
Scoop.
Scoop it off. That's right.
Give it squeeze.
Okay, go ahead and dump that in.
Give me that. Give it squeeze.
Now our next, don't. Let's not get that wet.
Look at me.
The next one, we're not going to use one quite whole one because he already put some in. So you can put the other cup in. All right, okay, let's just give it a gentle shake. Put the lid back on.
You can put that on now.
Shaky, shaky. Okay, just enough to level it out. We need 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil.
Ah.
We have some. 1 tablespoon. Okay, let me clean it off. Did you get something on your eye?
No.
You need to clean it with a towel?
What is happening?
He's outside.
This video.
Okay, dump it.
You see it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you got it? Okay, now the machine's gonna do all the stirring for us, okay?
Can you see it? Right here? I'm gonna get
Okay.
it. I'm gonna get it.
All right, hold on. We need 2 teaspoons of fast-acting yeast. We're gonna make this in the bread machine, and we are going to put it on the multi-grain setting. And it is gonna be so good. Normally, I take the pumpkin seeds, the chia seeds, the amaranth seeds, and the oats, and I grind them up a little bit finer, but he was a little excited, so we didn't do that. But that's okay. It'll just be a little bit
I'm
more
gonna put
chunky.
Woo! Can we put it there, please?
Yes, we can put it over there.